from cognitive behavioral therapy CBT to challenge and reshape those negative thought patterns that fuel anxiety. Understanding the power of thoughts. Our thoughts have a profound impact on our emotions and behaviors. When we experience anxiety, our thoughts often become distorted, leading to a negative spiral. We might catastrophize, predicting the worst possible outcome, or engage in black and white thinking, believing we are either a complete success or a total failure. These distorted thoughts can fuel anxiety, making us feel overwhelmed, hopeless, and helpless. But the good news is that we can learn to identify and challenge these thoughts, replacing them with more balanced and realistic ones. This is the essence of cognitive restructuring, a key technique in CBT. Cognitive restructuring in action. Cognitive restructuring involves a few key steps. Identify your negative thoughts. Start by noticing the thoughts that pop up when you are feeling anxious. What are you saying to yourself? Write them down in a journal or thought diary. Challenge the thoughts. Examine your negative thoughts critically. Are they based on facts or feelings? Are they helpful or harmful? Are there alternative ways of viewing the situation? Replace negative thoughts with positive ones. Once you have identified and challenged your negative thoughts, replace them with more balanced and realistic ones. For example, instead of I am thinking I am going to fail this presentation, you might think I am prepared and I have done this before. I can handle this. Common cognitive distortions. Here are some common cognitive distortions to watch out for. All or nothing thinking, seeing things in black and white terms with no shades of grey. Catastrophizing, predicting the worst possible outcome. Mind reading, assuming you know what others are thinking without any evidence. Personalization, taking responsibility for things that are not your fault. Should statements, using should, must, or ought to place unrealistic demands on yourself or others. Emotional reasoning, believing that your feelings are facts. Overgeneralization, drawing broad conclusions from a single event. Practice makes perfect. Cognitive restructuring takes practice, but it can be a powerful tool for managing anxiety. Here are some tips. Be patient with yourself. It takes time to change deeply ingrained thought patterns. Practice regularly. The more you practice cognitive restructuring, the better you will become at it. Seek support. A therapist can help you identify cognitive distortions and develop effective coping strategies. Celebrate your successes. Notice and celebrate the positive changes you make in your thinking. Beyond cognitive restructuring, while cognitive restructuring is a valuable tool, it's not the only way to challenge negative thoughts. Other CBT techniques include exposure therapy, gradually facing your fears in a safe and controlled environment. Relaxation techniques, deep breathing, progressive muscle relaxation, and mindfulness can help reduce anxiety and create a sense of calm. Behavioral activation, engaging in activities that bring you joy and a sense of accomplishment. Problem solving skills, learning to identify and solve problems effectively can reduce stress and anxiety. By combining cognitive restructuring with other CBT techniques, you can develop a comprehensive approach to managing anxiety and improving your overall well-being.